Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete a board in Trello. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First step is to go right here to these three dots in the top right corner. Click on them and this will open up this menu. You have to scroll all the way down until you see Close Board. Click on it. Then confirm by closing with this red button. Then, as you can see, this board is closed and you can reopen it. So you don't want that, you want to permanently delete this board. So you should be able to see these three dots again and click on permanently delete board. Now click on delete if you are sure. Now your board is permanently deleted. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.